Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we got the Mares XR 15-meter S spool. So this is a little bit different from the other sort of modern day metal spools. It has all the same sort of features and sort of shape, except it's got a rubberized sort of tactile finish to it. So on the inside you have a metal spool, which is very tough and resilient, but it's all coated in this sort of matte black sort of rubbery finish, which gives it a really good tactile. You get a decent amount of grip, especially when it's wet, and you can use this both with a gloved hand and with bare hands. So you've got the flared opening, which makes it much easier to wind back onto. It's not overspun neither, so you get access to all the locking off points. It comes as standard with a double-ended bolt snap, and as you can see on the leader, you also get a section of rubber tubing, just so that you can control it a little bit better when you're sort of tying it off onto something. As you can see, we've got a red line on this. You've got a decent sort of sized line on that. It's good and chunky, but the red really stands out against sort of clear and blue waters. 50 meters of line makes it great for sending up DSMBs. It's a nice compact spool, a little bit heavier than a traditional metal spool, which gives you a bit of sort of extra sort of tactile grip onto it. Yeah, it's a good all-round spool. Because it's got that rubberized coating, you've got a decent amount of grip, especially when you're in the water. And that's the Mares 15-meter S spool. Thanks for watching, guys, and safe diving.